Okay, here's the NARC software development rig. You're going to have to forgive the jerky camera. I'm using a cell phone for this because I have to keep changing angles. So, we come here, we see the interface is asleep. In order to wake up the interface, you touch the display, and it will present us, oh, that's hard to see on the camera, with the slide to unlock. So, we might as well do what it says. Okay. So now we have the ability to put it back to sleep, we have the ability to power up the printer, or we have the ability to go into the config menu. The config menu is pretty well empty. All you can do in the config menu is go back. Okay, so there's the start menu. So here in the start menu, we have the home buttons, speed buttons, extruder control, emergency stop. So from here, the first thing we should do is probably do a home XY. Then we should do a home Z. Okay, now I'm going to lift Z a bit. Oh, that's much too slow. Let's hit the speed button. That's better. Okay, and now we should have control over the table, and we can adjust the X value. Here in the extruder, we can also go to the extruder menu, which has the play, pause, and stop buttons, the extrude up, extrude down, 4 user buttons, and the ability to go back. Can hit E-stop, shuts down the power, and go back to sleep.